Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. First, let me tell you, we are going to be doing a CVS coupon haul deal. I'm getting ready to show you what I went and got and tell you what I used and how much I paid. But first, from my video last week, we did have a winner for that super clean degreaser, and it is Renee. I have already sent you an email to get your information from you, Renee, so you should be receiving your package from the actual Super Clean company, and you will get those two Super Clean cleaning products again. Congratulations to Renee. So let me show you what I got from CVS. I'm gonna tell you what I used and how much everything cost. Okay, so I did two different separate transactions at CVS. This first transaction is where you spend $45 and you get 15 extra care bucks back. I'm gonna show you, I got the spend $45, get 15 extra care bucks back. That is what all of this is a part of, and so I'm gonna go over with you what I got and what I used and how I got it, and then show you the other things I got in this transaction as well. So I got two of the Lucky Charms. They're priced at $1.99 each, and I got two of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is also priced at $1.99 each. There is $1 off of two on the cereal. It's a digital coupon that I just loaded through the app. There's also a coupon in one of the coupon inserts, I think from last month in May, but I did not have that coupon because I've already used it in a previous transaction. But if you have that coupon, then you could technically get another $1 off of two. I don't remember the exact insert, but I will put it down in my description box down below so that you can know what to use if you want to use that. There was also, if you bought $8 worth of cereal or breakfast items, you got $2 off. So that coupon came off as well, and that was in the coupon app. Then the next item I got was this Dreft laundry detergent. It was $11.94, and I had a $3 digital coupon that came off of that. Then I picked up this Tide, which was $11.94 as well for this one, and there was also a $3 off digital coupon for this, but for some reason it would not come off. I had the correct item, everything, so in the end she just gave me an extra $3 extra care buck. So I did pay $3 more out of pocket up front, but I did get that $3 back because she did print me an extra care buck back. So just want to let you know it might not fully attach to this one, even though it does say the heavy duty specifically on the coupon, but for some reason it would not come off. The next item I got was the Poise 2-in-1. This was priced at $7.79, and I had a $2 off coupon from the Smart Source 66. And then I'm also applying to Fetch Rewards for 5,000 points, which is like $5. So I get $5 back from Fetch Rewards for that. Then my next items that I picked up was the Secret aluminum-free deodorant. This deodorant was priced at $7.49 each, and they are buy one get one 50% off right now. Then in the Save 620 coupon insert from this past Sunday, there is a buy one get one free coupon. So and it takes off a value up to $5.99, so I got $5.99 off for that. And then I picked up this Skittle for 88 cents, and then that was all $45. So I also applied a $15 extra care rewards buck that I had from a previous transaction toward this. So I did have 15 extra care buck coupon come off of that. Then I also picked up this nail clippers. It's from the Beauty 360. There's a coupon in the coupon app right now is to get one of these for free up to a $4 value. This one was $2.19, so it came off $2.19, so I got it completely free. Alright, so the next items I got were these two Irish Spring body washes. They are 18 fluid ounce bottles. I had a printable coupon from the Irish Spring website for 75 cents off of one, so I got 75 cents off of one of them. Then I had a digital coupon loaded, a manufacturer coupon for $1 off Irish Spring or soft soap body washes. So $1 came off on that digital coupon. Then I also had a $2 off of two select soft soaps or Irish Spring body wash products. So that $2 off came off as well. And then I had a $2 off a healthcare purchase coupon, and that $2 came off as well. I also, this whole total was over $50, and I had a $10 off $50 purchase coupon. It came to me in my CVS emails that I get, so I applied it to my card and it came off of this transaction as well. Plus then I used another $5 extra care buck kind of for this stuff, and that came off as well. So altogether, everything was over $50. Again, all the coupons that I used, everything came down to $10.59. She did print out a $3 extra care buck for this Tide. So I got that back. Then when you purchase 2 of these, you get 2 extra care bucks back. So I got $2 back on the Irish Spring. Again, I'm going to get my $5 back from Fetch Rewards, and then I got $15 back for the $45 purchase that I made on those certain products that are running for this buy 45 get 10. Okay guys, so again, I only paid $10.59 for those items, so let's get on to transaction number 2. Okay guys, so this is transaction number 2. I'm going to tell you what to get and what came off and all that kind of stuff. So the Crest this week and the Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for $3.99. When you purchase 2 of them, you get 3 extra care bucks back, and it's a limit of 2 deals. So that's why I have 4 products. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you ring up your Crest toothpaste first if you want the coupons to attach properly, the digital ones, if you want them to get the best deal possible for you. And then I also picked the Oral-B toothbrush up. So I rung up my 3 toothpaste and then my Oral-B toothbrush. So to my toothpaste, I got a $6 off of oral care products of like when you buy 4. So I got $6 off of 4 because the Oral-B toothbrush is included in that deal. Then the system glitched and gave me a $1 off of adult Crest toothpaste coupon. So I got a $1 off of this as well. And that $1 off adult Crest toothpaste is in the app, and it's just loaded to your card. So it's a $1 off adult Crest toothpaste, and so that came off. And then the Oral-B with that, the $1 off of the Oral-B toothbrush coupon will link to the Oral-B toothbrush, and you'll get a $1 off of that. Then I got the Colgate Total. This week is on sale, or it's not on sale. It's got a extra care buck deal. It's spend 10, get 5 extra care bucks back. They were priced at $5.49 at my store. In the CVS app, this is another glitch. There is a $4 off 2 Colgate and a $3 off a 2 Colgate coupon. If you have both of those added into your account, you are also going to get your $3 off Colgate and your $4 off Colgate on both of these. So both of those will glitch and both will come off at the same time. Now, because I did spend over $15 in oral health care products, I did get a 3 off 15 oral health care CRT. It's like off toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrushes. That was in the app, so that came off of my purchase as well. Then I used $8 in extra care bucks for this transaction, and I only paid $1 and a penny out of pocket. So $1 and a penny came out of pocket for this. And then I did get my $5 extra care bucks back for this and my $6 back for this. So that's pretty much like almost getting everything for free. But I am rolling extra care bucks, so I paid $1 and a penny for this transaction. Alright guys, so here is everything again one last time. I spent $11.60 total between my 2 transactions. I will also get my $5 back on this as well, and I did get 3 extra care bucks down at the bottom. Well, they printed out an extra because the Tide coupon didn't print. So once I get my $5 back, that will be $6.60, and then I got that $3 extra care buck back. So that was like $3.60 I spent total on all these items. And guys, you cannot beat that. $3.60 after all coupon deals and rebates and everything come back to me. Then I got extra care bucks back on all my items to roll next week when I go to CVS. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below so you don't miss any of these other ones, and just get out there and clip some coupons, save some money, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.